First of all, open the syringe pushing here and pull out the internal part. Remove the screw that holds the buttons. Pull out the small piston. And remove the components that remain inside the syringe. The washer, the O-ring, the spacer, the other O-ring. Clean the O-ring. Clean the syringe. Use compressed air as well. Now take the pin and remount the small mechanism following these steps. First, the washer. Then the O-ring, the spacer. At the end, the other O-ring. Put the pin and the spring button inside the syringe. Screw the holder. And remount the cover of the syringe. Thanks for watching. Be simple, be smart.